Understanding welding seam, an essential English phrase for technical learning. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase used in the world of engineering and manufacturing, welding seam. This term is not just a technical jargon but a key concept that bridges language and industry. Whether you're an English learner with an interest in engineering or just curious about technical terms, this video will provide a clear and comprehensive understanding of what welding seam means. So, let's get started. A welding seam refers to the line where two pieces of metal, or other materials, are joined together by welding. Welding is a process of fusing materials, typically metals or thermoplastics, by applying high heat, which melts the parts together and allows them to cool, resulting in a strong joint. The welding seam is the visible trace left on the material after the welding process. It's an essential part of welded structures, indicating the quality and strength of the weld. There are several types of welding seams, each with its specific characteristics and applications. Butt weld seam, used to join two pieces end to end. Corner weld seam, joins two pieces at a corner. Lap weld seam, overlaps two pieces and welds them together. T-joint weld seam, joins two pieces at a right angle, forming a T shape. Understanding these types is crucial for both language learners and those in the welding or engineering fields. Welding seams are critical in industries like construction, automotive, and aerospace. They ensure the structural integrity and strength of assembled parts. A well-made welding seam is crucial for the safety and durability of the structure or product. Therefore, understanding and using the term correctly is vital in professional communication within these industries. For English learners, the term welding seam is a great example of specific technical vocabulary. It demonstrates how English adapts and evolves to meet the needs of various professional fields. Knowing such terms enhances your technical vocabulary and aids in more precise and effective communication in professional settings. I hope this video has been informative and has helped demystify the term welding seam for you. Remember, learning English is not just about everyday conversation but also about understanding the language in different professional contexts. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video.